Most creators publish a piece of content and move on. They spend 3 hours writing an article. They publish it. They promote it once. Then they start the whole process again for the next piece. The most efficient creators do something completely different. They publish once and extract 7 to 10 pieces of content from a single original piece. Each one platform optimized. Each one genuinely different from the others. Each one reaching a new audience or serving the existing audience in a new format. AI makes this systematic, fast, and scalable in a way that was simply not possible before. Today, I am sharing the complete AI content repurposing system. Every step, every format, and how to build a repurposing workflow that runs in under 90 minutes per week. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why repurposing is the most underused content strategy. Most creators think repurposing means posting the same thing on different platforms. It does not. That approach produces mediocre results everywhere because each platform has a distinct audience, a distinct content format, and a distinct set of expectations. Real repurposing means taking the core idea from one piece of content and translating it into the native format of every platform you publish on. So each piece feels like it was created specifically for that platform rather than adapted from somewhere else. A long-form video script becomes a LinkedIn article that reads like an original essay. It becomes a Twitter thread that presents the same ideas as a list of punchy insights. It becomes an Instagram carousel that visualizes the key points. It becomes an email newsletter that adds personal commentary. It becomes a short-form video script that isolates the single most compelling moment. Same idea. 7 pieces of genuinely different content. 1 original source. AI handles the translation. You handle the strategy. The 5-platform repurposing framework. The most effective repurposing system covers 5 platform formats, each serving a different audience behavior and content consumption style. Format 1 is the long-form written piece. A blog article, LinkedIn essay, or newsletter that develops the core idea fully. This is the primary asset every other format derives from. Ask Claude to write this first, fully developed and well-structured. Format 2 is the short-form social post. A single insight extracted and presented as a standalone post. Ask Claude to identify the most surprising or practically useful insight from the long-form piece and write it as a concise post under 200 words. Format 3 is the visual carousel. A multi-slide breakdown of the key points, each slide presenting one idea clearly. Ask Claude to write the text for each slide, a headline and 2 to 3 supporting lines. Design the slides in Canva using your brand template. Format 4 is the email. A personal version of the core idea sent to your list, more intimate and conversational than the public content. Ask Claude to rewrite the core idea as a personal message with additional commentary the public piece did not include. Format 5 is the short video script. A 45 to 60-second script built around the single strongest hook from the long-form piece. Not a summary, a standalone short that works independently and leaves viewers wanting the full version. 5 formats. 1 original idea. All produced by Claude in a single 90-minute session. The weekly repurposing workflow. The repurposing system runs once per week and covers everything published in the previous 7 days. Monday is for producing your primary long-form content, the original piece that every other format will be derived from. Give Claude a detailed brief and produce the complete first draft. Review, personalize, and finalize it. Wednesday is your repurposing session. Set a 90-minute block. Open Claude with your finalized long-form piece and work through all 5 formats in sequence. Short-form post first, 10 minutes. Carousel slide text second, 15 minutes. Email version third, 15 minutes. Short video script fourth, 15 minutes. Total Claude production time, under an hour. Review and personalize each piece, 30 minutes. By end of Wednesday, you have 6 pieces of content ready to publish across the week. The original long-form piece plus 5 repurposed versions. Schedule everything using a free scheduling tool. Content publishes automatically throughout the week. Your active production time, Monday and Wednesday, is the only time you touch content until the following week. Building your repurposing asset library. Every piece of content you repurpose becomes part of a growing asset library. Save every original piece and every repurposed version in Notion, organized by topic, format, date, and performance notes. Over time, this library becomes an extraordinary resource. When you need content on a topic you have covered before, check the library before starting from scratch. A previous article can be updated with new information. A previous short video script can be refreshed with a new hook. A previous carousel can be redesigned with updated data. Once per quarter, ask Claude to audit your content library and identify the 3 topics that generated the most engagement across all formats. These are your highest performing content themes. They should represent the majority of your content output in the following quarter. The library compounds in value over time. Every piece you add makes the next repurposing session more informed and more strategically targeted than the previous one. The repurposing mindset shift. The mindset shift that makes this system work is simple. Stop thinking of each piece of content as a finished product. Start thinking of it as a raw material that gets refined into multiple finished products for different audiences. A filmmaker does not shoot one scene and release it once. They shoot once and cut it for cinema, television, streaming, trailers, and clips, each version serving a different audience in a different context. Your content works the same way. One great idea, multiple formats, maximum reach. What piece of content do you have right now that you could repurpose into 5 different formats this week? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for getting significantly more from every piece of content you create, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.